We'll be back. When we left off, we were trying to prove whether these are the same, and indeed they are, which means our answers are still okay. We could even try to find out how much was spent on these respective produce. We say equals sum if this time we are looking through this range here. Fix that, and maize, and we are summing up here. Fix that still. Autofill, find out whether that's answer. Okay, that also looks fine. Now we shall make it more interesting. Well, we want to find out how much of each item everyone bought. So I want to copy that, paste it there, and then copy maize, rather copy the produce and then paste special. I want to transpose so that they're pasted like that. In our next function, it's called sum ifs. Okay, sum ifs. What we are basically doing here is to find out how much of each item each person bought. So we want to look at how much of maize did Abdul buy, how much of beans, how much of this. Sum ifs is a new function. You will not find it in Excel 2007 and below, so from 2010 upwards is where you'll find it. We shall look at the other function which we used to use before the sum ifs came into existence. So with sum ifs changes a bit in that you first look at the range of the sum you're making. For example, we are summing these. Let's fix them. That is if this range here, fix that as well, is Abdul. I'll explain that. Go to these figures here, find out whether you can get the name Abdul from this range. So this is the range where the name is. I'll fix. Now we are not fixing absolutely, we are only fixing this column. Only the column is the one being fixed. So I put a $sign there, in that even if I copy going rightwards, the column will still pick column B. Okay, well, we shall see that in a few. Then again, look through this range here and find and look for beans. So comma, the next one is beans. I only need to fix this one now, so that even if I go downwards, it doesn't change, it remains at 26. I think that's it. Press enter, then copy out throughout. Wow, looks like there's a small mistake. Let me see. Maybe not. There's a small mistake. Let me look for the mistake again and see where I went wrong. Okay, I've seen where I went wrong. Here, in the first calculation, the first item here was wrong. Instead of picking maize, I picked beans, so I needed to do this. Let me see. Select this, pick that, and fix this. Let me see. see whether that will give us the answers. I've even made it worse. Okay, sum if this up to that. This one here should have been that, and fix that. Quite a challenge, but I believe this should be fine now. Okay, we can get the totals and see whether that is correct. So do we have maize as 4311? Yes, and beans is that, and that looks fine. Let me get the totals of these as well to find out whether Abdul bought for this. That is correct. That is correct. I confused you a little bit. Let me explain this again. We are looking at these totals here, these totals, and we are looking for the word Abdul from this range here, right here. This is the range, and then we also look for the word maize from this range right here, this word maize here. So when I copy going this side, it changes to beans, but still Abdul remains, as you see here, this one right there. When I go down, the word maize here remains, as it picks a different name, Moraine.